it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I got a package in the mail from Pop Beauty. This is a brand that came out years ago. I honestly don't know. I remember it from back in the day when I was younger. But this is the branding Pop. I'm sure a lot of you guys remember this. And so I was really excited to get this. I actually didn't know what to expect because I'm not gonna lie, like I was never really a huge avid fan of Pop Beauty, but they reached out to me and I thought, you know what, let me just like give it a try, because if they're putting out new products, then you know, it'd be cool to just try them. I also want to say this is that I am filming in front of my window like I usually do. And I live in front of a school, so there are kids in the playground area, and there's a guy who's like shredding it. I don't know the terms. He's skateboarding and he's just doing all these little moves, but he's making a lot of noise is basically what I'm trying to say. And so if you hear any crazy noises, it's the skateboarder. Okay, blame it on him. I mean, you know, he's just living his life, but still. I feel like I put too much blush on, which is the story of my life. Okay, confession, I've already opened the box and peeked inside. I just haven't swatched any of the items, so I'm really excited to swatch them with you guys on camera. This is what it looks like on the inside. It says lock it and pop it. So on the back of the little card here, it says there's the makeup magnet mist, which is this finishing mist wears like a magnet to lock in makeup for a no budge effect. It also deeply hydrates, protects, and re-energizes. So this is the mist that they're talking about. It has the packaging on it still, or not the packaging, the wrapper, the plastic stuff. I can never, now I have all these little plastickies that I have to collect so they don't stay on my floor. Okay, so, ooh. Okay, this is what it looks like. This has 2.7 fluid ounces, 80 milliliters in here. So, oh, okay, this is what it looks like. That's the nozzle. Oh, it does let out a really fine mist. It smells like nothing, absolutely nothing, which I'm not like mad about because I hate really strong smells, especially in makeup products and in skincare. I don't like them. So I'd rather have something that is unscented as opposed to highly scented. He is not playing games out there. Wait, who is that? That's another noise coming from somewhere else. People are so noisy. This is a small street.
No, you stay on the Central bus, you take that all the way towards Belmont. But you going
Why? He's really using his outdoor voice. Like, why is he talking so freaking loud? That's insane. I live on like such a small street, yet so much happens on this small street. Not only are people walking up and down the street, which is whatever, but there's a lot of noises. There's trucks that come down the street, like all kinds of trucks. Semi trucks, or not semi, but like garbage trucks, just any sanitation trucks, so many types that I actually need to kind of unplug from the noise coming outside of my apartment by doing something else. Oh my god, there's like a 4-year-old on a scooter. So cute. So the next thing I'm going to show you is going to be this. Oh, there's plastic on this, sorry. This is their illuminating powder, and it's a Prismatic Pop. So what this is a highlighter, but it's like a colored highlighter. And I can appreciate it for its creativity, but more than likely I probably won't use it on myself outside of my apartment, probably in a photo or something, or a video, but that's just me. So this is in the color Ultraviolet Light, and why don't we swatch this onto skin. So it's a very, very light lavender lilac color. You can put this on top of your blush or just as a highlight, I guess. So this is the color. As you can see, yeah, you can definitely see that glow there. That's actually very pretty. It has very, very tiny specks of glitter. Here is their Lightshow palette, and this is in Dusk Delight, or Deluxe. Why did I read it Delight? I don't know. Let's open this, and I'm actually going to swatch all of these colors. Oh, no. Has a little tape there. Peel that off. You'd think this would be easier to open, but I think it's just me, honestly. Okay, this is just, there we go. Alright, so this is what it looks like. How pretty. Ooh, I like it. I like the aluminum silvery packaging about it. It honestly does feel very Xenon girl of the 21st century, if you know what I'm talking about. For those who know, you already know what's up. Yeah, that's exactly what this is giving me. Some Xenon girl vibes. Look at that, how pretty. So this is a mix of shimmers, glitters, and matte eyeshadows. I do not have a palette like this, and that's really, really exciting for me. So I'm basically going to take my fingers and I'm going to go ahead and press them onto this eyeshadow. So here we have this one, and it has like a marble effect to it. So this is that color. It's a very light pink color. And we have that one, which looks like a nylon shimmery color. Now we have the glitter. Now these, oh my gosh. What? And it's a full-on glitter. Like, that's not a spray-on. That's not a spray-on glitter. You know how some eyeshadows have spray-on glitters and shimmers? This is for real. Oh my god, that's like a metallic glitter. Holy cow. I can't. So the next row is right here. And we have a very beautiful clay color. And that's all matte. Something a little more shimmery here. And then we have another marble. There are 3 marbled colors. And this has more of a gray color to it. So that's that right there. Okay, next row is going to be this 3rd row right here. And I'm excited because there's a glitter eyeshadow in there. I'm ready to be shook. Sorry, I got really weird there. I'm so, oh my god. So this one has, okay, the glitters are a gold, silver. There's pink glitters in there as well. You can see that there. Oh my gosh. It's just so pretty. How is it so dang pretty? Okay, so this one. The only sad part of swatching the marble colors is that the marbling kind of goes away. But, oh, it's pretty. That's like a peach color. And then we have a more matte color here, which is like a taupe. So gorgeous. Okay. Okay, Pop Beauty. Okay. Got a girl shook. Alright, so the last row is right here. Let me do some ASMR for all of you ASMR freaks. that's enough. So we have a pretty teal color with glitters. It has specks of glitters in it, and there's green, blue, and gold glitters in this eyeshadow, and you can really see it because of the daylight. And then we have a more of like a burgundy color right there, and that's a shimmer. And then we have a full-on glitter, and that's a teal glitter with, it's like this eyeshadow but more extra. So let's swatch them. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Holy, oh my gosh. I shouldn't say that because, oh my goodness. This is out of this world. Very stellar, as Xenon would say. Stellar. Goodness gracious. I'm all about this palette right now. I want to know how many of you guys have tried Pop Beauty as of recently. I'm pleasantly surprised. I didn't know what to expect with this palette because, again, I have not tried Pop Beauty in so long. This is all covered in glitter, and I'm just trying to get the glitter off, but it's becoming a little difficult. I think that I'm going to do a glitter look on this palette because I just have to. Like, you just can't not play with this palette. It's so exciting and fun. It just doesn't look like anything that I own. Maybe some of you are like, been there, done it, but I haven't. That is it. This was not a review. This was just an unboxing from Pop Cosmetics, or Pop Beauty I should say. There's the 3 products that I was sent. The misting spray, or magnet mist I should say, the Lightshow palette, and then the Prismatic Pop, which is a highlighter. I love you guys, and I will be talking to you guys soon. Thank you for those who have still given me so much love and support. For those who are praying for me, I need prayer. Like, everybody needs prayer. I'll be praying for all of you guys. If you have any prayer requests, please put them down below. Even if like you're not a person who believes in prayer, but you want maybe good thoughts sent your way and like positive affirmations declared over you, I can totally do that too. I'm a person who does respect everyone's beliefs. I obviously believe in something myself, and I stick to those, and I'm really convicted by that, and they're just my convictions, and nobody can sway my opinions, but that doesn't mean that I respect anybody less for their beliefs. So I just wanted to say that really quickly before getting off. I'll talk to you guys soon. I love you. I hope you guys are having such a good day or night. I hope you're having a good week, and if you're not, just know that every day is a new day. It's a new day to have joy, a new day to have purpose, to have focus, goals, a new day to just rest and relax and just take a load off. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.